Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for the June collection from Chic Boutique. She gifted me another of our beautiful collections. I also purchased some extra things from her this week, so I'm really excited to open this lovely little package and show you all the goodies that I received. I'm gonna pull everything out and see what kind of goodies she put in here. I'm telling you, this collection, she went overboard and she has so many goodies in here. So let's go ahead and check it out. So this month's collection is Bloom and it's a fairy theme and I'm really excited. I think that's a really cool theme. Oh, so here's the goodies. So I'll go ahead and get into let's go ahead and go with the journal first and look at that. And then we'll go and look at all the goodies that come with it. So the journal this month. Okay, here is the beautiful journal this week. So let's go ahead and open it up. She's included some ribbon to tie around to close it off. There is a really cute little image here, a little fairy image. She did some sewing with some gold leaf ribbon, and then she stitched around the little index card. What kind of card is this? Why am I going blank on what this is called? Rolodex card. Little Rolodex card. And then she used ribbons and doilies to create this really beautiful little floral pattern. And then she put some of that kind of like cotton fabric, linen fabric on the bottom. And there is the paper. And so let's go ahead and open it. And I love the inside cover paper. That's just so cute. And yeah, so then she has quite a bit of flip outs this time around. I love this pink paper she threw in here, the pink lined paper. And she's got some coffee tea dyed paper. She's got a couple of little book pages from some like gardening books. And then pink dyed paper. Some music paper. She put some, she used some wrapping paper this time, which I think is a really cool idea. Lynette, I'm definitely stealing this idea of using wrapping paper in your journaling things. I had never thought about that. I love the little book with all the pretty photos. And then her signature heart tea dyed paper. And then some graph paper and dyed paper in between. This time this kind of looks like marbled. This is really cool. I love that. And then of course it just repeats itself with the papers. This is really thick paper. And then, yeah, so it just repeats itself. Here's the flip out of the music sheet, which is cool. I love the flip outs because it gives you like just extra space and extra room to journal. And it kind of hides your journaling for you. Yeah, really, really pretty. So let's go ahead and sneak peek at all of the goodies that come with the collection. So these are not extra things that I purchased. This comes with your purchase. When you purchase this collection, all of these goodies come with it. So I'll just pick out little things here and there. This is the bookmark that she includes. This is kind of her signature thing she puts in each of her collections, at least so far she has. So it just kind of dangles from the top and then from the bottom. And this one has, I'm so excited about this little pin thing she added in here. So it's got a couple of little gemstones, and then a little flower bracket, and that little tiny little brackets. And then she has this little pin, safety pin, with this little dewdrop charm on it, which I think is really cute and definitely goes with the collection. And then she's got this really cool garment pin in here, which I think is really cool. I'm really excited to find a way to use that in my journaling this month. And then this one, she included some different paper clips. And I love that she puts the stuff in the little glossing bags, because you could definitely use these in the journaling. And then this month, she included quite a few fibers, which I'm really excited about. I love this little eyelash one. That's really cool. Oh, this one's cute too. Oh, I love this. It's like a little fringy, different colors. That's really cool. And then just this one that's it's very soft. And I love that it has like the different ombre green. And this one kind of goes into like a brown into the green. I don't know if I'm really showing that very good, but... And then another little eyelash one, this hot pink one. And then this is really cool too. It's got little fringies on it. So yeah, I'm really excited about all these. And then another piece that she gave us was this really, I don't know if this is dyed linen or if this is the color. I'm not sure. It's like a yellow. It's really cool. I'm really excited to use that too. Okay, so then she has another little glossing bag with another paper clip, and then a dyed green doily, which is really cool. I love how it's kind of ombre. And then some of her tickets, dyed green tickets. And then I love that she included some floral elements to this one, because I think it goes great with the kit, the journal. And then of course another glossing bag, which I'm going to use. And then this one has a little tab in it, so you can do it on either side. Yeah. And then the little floral element. And then her little signature. This is another little signature for hers to put in some punches of her heart punches. And then and there's another clippy. And then she got these really cool postcards. And I love this one. This is so cute. It's really pretty. I love that one. And then she included a long tag with that paper. And then she included this, everything in this bag. So I can definitely use that. And then she has a couple of these little size tags. I think she included these last time, and I don't actually remember using them. I have to try to make sure I use those this time. And then here's another little Rolodex card and a flash card, which is really cool. I like that. And then a little tea-dyed, or not tea-dyed, a pink-dyed index card with a really pretty floral stamp on it. And then a layaway tag, which is really cool. And then another, oh, this I think this is a, what's that called? Cupcake liner that she flattened out. Make it look like a doily. That's cool. I like that. And then there's a little blank card in here with this really pretty image or cutout image of a fairy. So she put it in the card because she didn't want the fairies to get all ruined. So that was cool. And then the little envelope that came with the card. And then these were really cool. So again, another little baggie that you can use. And then this is, wow, that's really pretty. These are images of seed images, and they're from the 1940s. I think that's what she said in her video. So the 1940s. So I think that's really cool. And she put it in this little bag so they wouldn't get all ruined, but then, which is kind of cool because then you also get the little bag, which I love these little bags. All right, so that's a lot. That's already a lot. I'm not done yet, people. Still got a lot to go. So then she included some additional papers. So let's go through those. So she included a book page from I guess it's called 100 Flowers. So it's a garden book page. And then another little piece of the wrapping paper. And then some more book pages from the floral book pages. Another half sheet of the tea dye or the pink dyed heart paper. A couple of more pages to work with. There's some really cute paper, some toadstools. And then this one is the complete book of the flower fairies. And that's cool because this one actually kind of looks like it. I love how it kind of matches. The color schemes match. Oh, I love this one. That's really cute. Oh, and there's two of them. So this one, little pine cone girl, that's so cute. Oh, look how this one is. Oh, how am I going to use these? Ugh. Okay, and then we have another piece of the music sheets. So that is what you get in this kit. It is amazing. I cannot believe she includes all of this stuff. It's really generous of her, and she definitely tries to keep the price point down. I don't know how she does it, but you know, you get all of this stuff for $30. So if you're interested in checking her collection, please make sure you check the link down below. I will leave the link down below. Plus I will also include her video that she, I'll include a channel or her channel there too. She has a YouTube channel. So I'll include that. And now I want to actually show you some of the things that I purchased. I'm very excited about this. So she made some tags. And I just love, she's so talented. She just has such an eye for design and talent. So she took some of the book pages. Look how pretty that is. This is what basically got me to want to buy this one. It was this image that back here. It's so pretty. So I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to use these, but, and I don't know if she like backed it with cardstock or what, or if it was just the two pages put together, but it's really cool. So she did some lace details, some buttons, and then she sewed all the way around. And I love how she sewed all kind of cattywampus and just kind of did a bunch of zigzag and layering. I've not ever thought of doing that. That's really cool. And this one, I love what she did here with the little fibers, with the ribbon, with the button, and then the lace. And here's the back of that one. And then this one has this metal butterfly on it. And I love it because it gives a lot of design, but they're still pretty flat still. So, not exactly sure how I'm going to end up using them in my book, but I just love them. She dyed some different laces and cut out some different flower shapes from the laces. So they're this one and then the leaf And then this really pretty blue one. And then this flower with the leaf on it. And this one with the leaf. And then another flower. And I love that one. And then another little leafy piece. So yeah, I think I got that all in the shot. Okay. So yeah, so I purchased those. I have no idea if she has any of the extra stuff left because it was limited quantity. So I would definitely recommend, if you're interested in any of these items, that you go subscribe to her channel if you haven't done so already, because she obviously releases all of her stuff before she gives it to me. To get first pick of everything, make sure that you go ahead and check out her channel. I'm really excited to work with this collection this month and this journaling book. Really excited to see all the things that I curated. If you're interested in seeing last month's video, I did do a full flip through of what this looks like. I am in love with it. It's holding up great. There's no rips or tears or anything. It's just really good, great quality. The front cover looks just as good as it did when I first got it. If you're interested in seeing what I created with that, go ahead and take a look at that. I'll leave the link up here in the description box. And if you're interested in seeing what I create in this month's journaling book, go ahead and make sure that you hit that red subscribe button, hit the little bell so you know when I load new videos, and I will see you real soon with a journal with me using this. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.